Luscious cereal milkshake recipe. A cereal milkshake is a beverage made by blending milk, ice cream, and a type of breakfast cereal together. The cereal flavors infuse into the milk, giving the milkshake a distinctive taste reminiscent of the cereal itself. It's a fun and nostalgic treat that combines the flavors of childhood breakfast cereal with the creamy texture of a milkshake. Popular cereals like Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, and Cocoa Puffs are often used to create cereal milkshakes, but the possibilities are endless, depending on personal preferences and creativity. At first, we have to know about cereal milk. The beverage and basic ingredients. Cereal milk is prepared by toasting cornflakes, steeping them at room temperature in milk, draining off the cereal, and adding brown sugar and salt. Other cereals can also be used. Cereal milk tastes like that dense, slightly sweet, starchy, corny milk from the bottom of the cereal bowl that everybody loves to enjoy at the end. Serve this milk for a refreshing breakfast or evening snack. Shredded whole wheat cereal with low-fat milk is the best choice of conventional breakfast cereals because it doesn't contain any added sugar or salt. Why is cereal in milk? Why do people eat cereal with milk? Vertical bar Britannica. Even as breakfast cereals became less like Wheat Rocks and more like granola, the immediate successor to granula, and cornflakes, they were still dry, which meant milk stuck around as a useful tool to soften them up. Porridge is a heart-healthy breakfast when it is made with low-fat milk or water and is unsweetened. Make sure you don't add extra sugar or salt to your porridge, as this will undo all your good work. Instead, try adding a banana or some fruit for extra sweetness. If you don't have ice, you can use frozen fruit, oats, chia seeds, yogurt, or nuts and nut butter to thicken your smoothie. No frozen fruit. Add a scoop of raw oats or chia seeds into the blender instead. You've just unlocked the secret to achieving the perfect thickness in your milkshakes using corn flour. Its incredible thickening abilities, coupled with its neutral taste, make it an excellent choice for enhancing your milkshake experience. Luscious cereal milkshake recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of your favorite cereal, such as Fruity Pebbles or Cocoa Puffs, 2 cups of milk, whole milk or your preferred milk substitute, 4 large scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1 2-cup of whipped cream. Additional cereal for garnish, optional. Instructions: pour the milk into a bowl and add the cereal. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes to infuse the milk with the cereal flavor. Strain the milk through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a separate container, pressing down on the cereal to extract all the flavored milk. Discard the soggy cereal or save it for topping the milkshake. In a blender, combine the cereal-infused milk, vanilla ice cream, and half of the whipped cream. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the milkshake into tall glasses. Top each milkshake with a dollop of whipped cream and garnish with additional cereal if desired. Serve immediately and enjoy your luscious cereal milkshake. Feel free to customize this recipe by using your favorite cereal and adjusting the sweetness to your liking. Enjoy your indulgent treat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.